Welcome back. Today we are tackling a classic greedy algorithm problem called non-overlapping intervals. This is a very popular question in technical interviews, often used to test your understanding of sorting and interval manipulation. Here is the problem. You are given a collection of intervals. Each interval has a start time and an end time. Your task is to find the minimum number of intervals you need to remove so that the remaining intervals do not overlap with each other. Essentially, we want to keep as many compatible intervals as possible. Let's look at this visually. Here we have intervals on a timeline. The interval 1 to 2 and 2 to 3 don't overlap. However, the interval 1 to 3, shown in red, overlaps with both of them. To fix this, we need to remove the red interval. This is a simple example, but with many intervals, it gets tricky. Two intervals overlap if the start time of the second interval is strictly less than the end time of the first one. To solve this efficiently, we use a greedy approach. The intuition is simple. We want to fit as many non-overlapping intervals as possible into our timeline. If we have a conflict, we should discard the interval that causes the most problems. The key to solving this is sorting. But how? If we sort by start time, we might pick a very long interval that starts early but blocks everything else. That is not optimal. Instead, if we sort by end time, we pick the interval that finishes earliest. This leaves the maximum amount of empty space on the timeline for subsequent intervals. This is the optimal strategy. Here is the algorithm. First, sort all intervals by their end time in ascending order. Second, keep track of the end time of the last valid interval you added to your non-overlapping set. Finally, iterate through the list. If a new interval starts before the last one ends, it's an overlap, so we remove it. If it starts after the last one ends, we keep it and update our end time. Let's walk through an example. We have intervals 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, and 3, 4. After sorting by end time, the order is 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, then 3, 4. We always keep the first interval, which is 1, 2. We set our last valid end to 2. Next, we check 2, 3. It starts at 2, which is equal to our last end of 2. No overlap, so we keep it and update last end to 3. Then comes 1, 3. It starts at 1, which is less than 3. That is an overlap. We remove it and increment our count. Finally, 3, 4 starts at 3. No overlap. We keep it. Total removed is 1. Here is the implementation in Python. We sort the list using a lambda function targeting the second element, the end time. We initialize our end variable and a counter. Then we loop through the intervals. If the start is less than the current end, we increment the removal count. Otherwise, we update the end variable. Finally, we return the count. The time complexity is big O of n log n, primarily due to the sorting step. The single pass through the list is just O of n, the space complexity is O of 1 or O of n, depending on how the sorting algorithm is implemented in your specific language. That covers the non-overlapping intervals problem.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.